Alright, let's get real about drone insurance. If you're flying drones for commercial gigs, think real estate shoots, mapping, or inspections, your biggest risks are property damage, privacy issues, and sometimes even injury to bystanders. These are all pretty standard, and the insurance policies for commercial drones focus on liability, hull damage, and data loss. Now let's flip that. Military drones? Whole different ballgame. These guys face risks like combat, espionage, and even cyber attacks. The stakes are way higher, so insurers have to factor in not just the cost of replacement, but also things like mission failure and national security. Here's the catch. No matter which side you're on, auditing your insurance is a must. I always say, bring in an independent insurance consultant. Why? Because they have skin in the game and are not compensated by insurers. They'll dig into your policies, find the gaps, and make sure you're not overpaying. They'll even negotiate with brokers to get you the best deal. And when it comes time to trigger your insurance, say after an incident, they're the ones who make sure your claim gets paid out. Fast. No finger pointing, no runaround. Bottom line, whether you're mapping a farm or flying military ops, your risks and your insurance needs are totally different. Make sure an expert is checking your coverage and fighting for your bottom line. By the way, if you need help navigating this maze, check out DeshCap. These folks are pros at connecting you with the right consultants and brokers. Stay safe up there, and keep your coverage sharp.